Yes, music does make the people come together, but also so does National Pecan Pie Day.
Yeah.
So it's a delicious day for us.
Any kind of food
Yep.
really makes the people come together. Of course, we're whipping up a sweet treat with the help of our next guest.
Yes, it's been a while, so let's welcome back cookbook author and baker Courtney Hill. So good to see you
Thank you.
again.
It's good to be back.
Yes.
Guys.
We're excited about this pecan, whatever it is. Let's get into it. What do we need to make it come together? Because we want to eat.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, pecan pie. I say it pecan.
Okay, there we
It's a
go.
one crust pie. So over here I have my crust in my pie pan, and I'm going to have you, Tony, decorate with
Okay,
the pecans.
I can
so
do
we're
that.
doing concentric circles
All
with
right.
the pecans. It's very fancy.
Yes.
And then we are going to make the filling.
Oh, great.
So I have 3 eggs in here, and I'm going to beat these just
Okay.
a little
Eat one of
bit.
these. I just.
Oh, they're good, aren't they,
Oh
Tony?
my
You
God.
add some
This is actually one of my
corn syrup.
favorite
Favorite nut?
favorites. Yes.
Okay. And then
Tony,
you
you're looking
add-
a little nutty over there.
I got them all.
You add the sugar, brown sugar, and butter.
Okay, so regular sugar.
Yes.
All this. Ooh,
The whole Tupperware.
light brown sugar. And then
Some melted
this is
butter.
butter. Okay.
And then a little bit of vanilla.
A little bit of vanilla.
Yeah.
All right.
Stir that till it's really nice and smooth.
Okay, really nice and smooth.
And this is really one of the easiest pies, and it
It
looks and
really
tastes
is.
so amazing. To me, this is a Thanksgiving
Yeah.
pie.
It does give holiday vibes.
So to have it in the summer was kind of, I don't know.
No, this is a super easy pie to make. I made it and my family actually enjoyed it. So,
You can make a pie?
Pass, I made a pie.
Oh, look at you.
And some people just chop up the pecans and put it in, but
I
this is
did.
a nice, fancy kind of
Yeah.
way to make it look really attractive. That
All right,
looks
so
great.
this is this
So
enough
good.
or
Yes, that looks good. Okay, so
Okay,
now we
we
are
have
going
another.
to slowly
Okay.
pour it on so we don't mess up our lovely pecans.
and that's it.
That's it, and then you just bake it at 350 for about an hour,
Mhm.
and you have your lovely pecan pie.
Oh my gosh,
And
do they
that's it.
float to the
So
top?
They do. They float to the top in that nice little.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
arrangement.
Oh,
Homer.
they're coming up now.
Get a shot of that. That's so cool. They're coming alive. Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Which
All right.
we like to try.
We
Yes,
would love to
let's-
try.
Let's try.
This looks so delicious.
Okay.
And you can top it with like whipped cream,
You can.
ice cream, something like that.
It's a very sweet pie.
Okay.
So I mean, whipped cream would be good because
Whipped
cream's
cream
not
is
too sweet.
good with everything. Oh, we're losing our crust
Oh
there.
my goodness.
The crust is the best part, in my opinion, in my humble
try that.
opinion. Here we go. All right, the
My
official
knife is not very good here.
taste test here. Oh, goodness. That's delicious.
Delicious. Okay.
I think one of my secrets is I use Mexican vanilla in all of my baking,
Ooh.
and it just adds a little
I did
extra.
see that.
Yes.
Look at that big jar.
I know. I get on the internet. I use it a lot.
That is crazy.
This is
That
good.
is so good. It almost like gives like a candied flavor. You know what I mean? So the pecans have like some real good flavor to them. Wow.
And then it's kind of almost a custardy base because
Yeah.
of the eggs that you're putting in. And then, yeah. It's
Wow.
just
Any
really
other-
simple and really good.
Any other tricks of the trade we should know if we want to whip this up for our family?
I like to make the edge decorative.
Okay.
Like this. So you just roll your crust underneath and then press your fingers around. And sometimes in the fall,
Okay.
I'll use a little cookie cutter and I'll make leaves that go on the edge.
Oh,
and that's really, really
fun.
fun.
That is really fun.
Yes.
I love that so much. This is delicious. We're going to wrap so we can get to eating this pie off camera. But for more on Courtney or to snag a copy of her cookbook, you can visit her website, cookhomemade.net.